If you want to turn off the daily journal feature in Evernote, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps on desktop so you can disable automatic daily notes in just a few seconds. This is really useful if you don't want Evernote creating a new note every day and cluttering up your notebooks. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the Evernote app on your Mac or Windows computer. Once Evernote is open, look at the top left corner of the app and click on your profile name or profile photo. This is where Evernote keeps your account and app settings. After you click your profile, a menu will appear. From that menu, select Settings. This will open the main settings area for the app, where you can control different preferences, account options, and app behavior. Now that you're in Settings, look for the Preferences tab. Click on it to open the preference options. Depending on your version of Evernote, the layout may look slightly different, but the steps are the same. Next, find either Templates or Application in the Preferences menu. Evernote sometimes organizes the Daily Note option under one of these sections, so if you don't see it right away, check both areas carefully. Once you're in the right section, scroll until you find the Daily Notes area. Here, you should see an option that says Automatically Create a Note Each Day. This is the setting that controls the daily journal or daily note feature. To turn it off, simply toggle the switch off. Once the switch is disabled, Evernote will stop automatically creating a new note each day. That means your app will feel a little cleaner and more organized, especially if you prefer making notes manually instead of using a daily template. After you've turned it off, you can close the settings window. Your changes should save automatically, so there's no extra step required. If you ever want the daily note feature back later, you can always return to the same spot and turn the toggle on again. And that's it. You've successfully turned off Daily Journal in Evernote on desktop. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.